Understanding I Attest, a simple guide. Hello everyone and welcome back to our English learning journey. Today, we have an interesting phrase to discuss, I attest. Whether you've heard it in a formal setting, in movies, or read it somewhere, today we're going to break it down and understand its meaning and usage. So, let's dive in. The phrase, I attest, is a formal way of saying that you confirm or certify something to be true or accurate based on your knowledge or belief. It's like putting your stamp of approval on something, saying it's correct as far as you know. The word, attest, itself comes from Latin, and it has been used in English for centuries to convey this idea of certification or validation. I attest is often used in legal and formal documents. You might see it when someone is required to confirm the accuracy of information, such as in an affidavit or a legal statement. Here are a few examples. 1. I attest that the information provided is accurate and complete to the best of my knowledge. 2. I attest to having witnessed the signing of the will. 3. I attest that I have reviewed the document and found it to be in order. In spoken English, you might not hear it as often, but it can still be used in formal speeches or declarations. It's important to note that I attest is not the same as I testify. While they both involve making a statement that you believe to be true, to testify usually means to provide evidence or bear witness in a court of law. I attest, on the other hand, is more about validating information or a situation based on your knowledge or belief. And there we have it. A closer look at the phrase, I attest. We hope this video has helped clear up any confusion and given you a better understanding of how and when to use this phrase. Don't forget, English is a rich and diverse language, and every phrase has its own unique place and usage. Keep learning and keep practicing. Until next time, happy learning!